Hi there. This video shows you how to turn off NFC on a Samsung phone to help reduce unnecessary battery usage and improve overall performance when you're not using contactless features. Option 1, Quick Settings method, is the fastest way to disable NFC on your device. Swipe down from the top of your screen to open the notification panel. Swipe down again to expand the full Quick Settings menu. Look for the NFC icon, which looks like an N with wave signals. Tap it once until it turns gray, meaning it is switched off. If you cannot find it, tap the edit or pencil icon and add the NFC toggle to your quick panel for easier access later. Option 2, Settings menu method, gives you another reliable way to turn it off. Open the Settings app on your Samsung phone, scroll down and tap Connections. Then select NFC and contactless payments. Inside this menu, you will see a switch button. Simply toggle it off to completely disable NFC. This method is useful if the quick settings icon is missing or not visible on your screen. You can also restart your phone after turning off NFC to make sure the change is fully applied. Keeping NFC off when it is not needed can slightly improve battery life, especially during long idle periods. If you found this guide helpful, consider subscribing for more easy Android tips and tricks to make your phone experience smoother every day. Thanks for watching. See you.